Hey, freelance transcribers! What if I told you that you could make more money without doing extra work? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you a simple way to increase your income as a transcriber by offering a high-value service that clients will love. Step 1. Transcribe the video. If you're already a freelance transcriber, you know the drill. Clients send you audio or video, and you turn it into a clean, readable transcript. Simple, right? But here's the problem. A plain transcript isn't always enough. Many clients, especially content creators, coaches, and businesses, want engaging content to share on social media. So instead of just delivering a transcript, take it to the next level. Step 2. Hire a Fiverr freelancer to create snippets. Once you have the transcript, you don't need to do any more work yourself. Instead, head over to fiverr.com and hire a freelancer who specializes in video editing, short-form content creation, and animated captions, like those viral TikTok and Instagram Reels videos. Ask them to create 3 to 5 short clips featuring the best moments from the video. With animated captions to grab attention, you can find quality Fiverr gigs for $5 to $20 per video snippet. Step 3. Bundle and price your premium package. Now, instead of just selling a plain transcript, you're offering a content repurposing package, a way for your clients to get engaging, shareable video content without lifting a finger. Here's how you can price it. The basic package includes a transcript along with 3 snippets, priced between $75 and $150. The premium package offers a transcript with 5 snippets, ranging from $150 to $250. For those needing more content, the VIP package provides a transcript and 10 snippets, starting at $300. Remember, you're outsourcing the snippet creation, so even if you spend $50 hiring an editor, you're still making a solid profit with no extra effort. Bonus tip: consider offering monthly content packages for recurring income. By creating a subscription-based service, you can transcribe and repurpose multiple videos each month for clients. This is especially valuable for YouTubers, coaches, and businesses that consistently need fresh content. For a detailed breakdown of this gig, check out our blog post, link in the description.